Hi, everybody. Welcome. It is day 17 of Treasure Trovember. I am Kelly. I am the founder of Collage-Lab and the creator of the Trovember Challenge. This is our 5th year. If you're brand new here, I encourage you to go back to day 1 and watch the welcome video. I also encourage you to register at the link below. You will get our free guide that is full of tips from previous year's participants. So day 17 out of 30, our prompt today is to add a body part. Add a body part to your collage today and then come back tomorrow and see what we do with that. Thanks.